Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that's the price action trading. I am not a SEBI registered person. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades, because risk management is very important in trading. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos, and subscribe my Telegram channel, link in description. And once again, welcome to weekly market review. This is the Nifty chart. Here Nifty already started trending bullish move. So I mentioned this one is the new line. So here I expected price to hit the upper leg of the channel. This is the ascending channel. Now from this channel, this is the descending one. This channel is already broken out the upper leg. So see here, this trend line acted a resistance 1 2 3 4 5 times. So price hit this trend line and back to support within the channel range, and this trend line once price hits and back to within the channel range. So this channel is already broken out, so pullback is already over. See here, this line price break above and make some little bit of pullback and again went up. So here this range, this channel range is already indicated. This part of the price, whatever the price movement in within this channel, we expect the same part of the price move to upside. So length, this is length, is might be another bullish move up to I change this channel to a range, this channel to a range here. So price traded in upper range of this upper range. So here this candle indicating some bearish move from in next week up to this zone. Nifty price facing some resistance zone here. This candle indicated some bearish move to the downside. I expected some little bit correction up to this area around 15,000 area. If price hit this level, if you find any rejection or bullish candlestick formation here, it's very good for long opportunity in coming weeks. So I expected some little bit of correction up to 15,000, because here the price facing a resistance zone around 15,500 to 15,400 level. So some correction is expected, or else if price hit this level might be another move to outside, but I am expected a little bit of correction to the 15,000 level. Nifty in hour 4 time frame, price heading towards the upper leg of the channel, hour 4 channel, this is the ascending one. So here I am expected a range bound between this channel, so expected some correction up to this trend line. This is the support area. If you find any rejection from this trend line zone, that like this, if you find any rejection here, rejection candle, so we go for long opportunity, price heading towards the upper leg of the ascending channel. So this is the final target around 16,000. So I expected price to hit 16,000 zone. This formation, channel formation, going to complete this, price is going to complete this pattern. So I expected another some correction and then another bullish move on Nifty. So might be next week we expected some correction up to this zone around 15,100 to 15,000 zone. That's all for Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, this is the day one chart. So here also price traded in the descending channel. So this channel break above the upper leg, so price retesting this trend line, and bounce back to this zone. Now price facing some resistance area around, this is the resistance zone, this channel is over. Now we mark another pattern in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, price makes a new pattern, that's the flat top triangle. Here the top of the triangle is broken with a bullish candle, momentum candle. So we expected some little bit of correction here to retest this trend line, flat top triangle. So then this entire range we measure, we expect the same range price move outside this zone. So equivalent price movement we expected after this breakout of this channel. So stay bullish in Bank Nifty. In hour 4 time frame, Bank Nifty price makes a ascending channel, clear ascending channel. Now price heading towards the upper leg of the channel. So here around 36,500 zone. So stay bullish on Bank Nifty. If there any correction, if there any pullback to this trend line around 34,000 area, is very good for long opportunity. If you find any rejection candle here, if price retest this zone like this, if you find any rejection, once price hit this area, if you find any rejection candle here, so we expect another bullish move on Bank Nifty. So if any little bit of correction to this trend line is very good for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. Anyhow, price heading towards the upper leg of the channel up to this zone 36,500. If there any range here if you find any range here, if this range breaks downside, we go for short opportunity. If this range makes break above, so we search for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. That's all for Bank Nifty. In HDFC Bank, price break this trend line and make a pullback here, so we expected bullish price action in HDFC Bank. If there any correction up to this trend line, if you find any rejection here, this is a very good opportunity for long in HDFC. So stay bullish on HDFC Bank. In Reliance Industry, price traded in a channel area, between this channel area or descending channel. So within this channel, price makes a triangle pattern. This triangle pattern is already broken out. So if there any retest to this trend line, good for long opportunity, but price facing resistance here. If you find any pullback, so you go for long opportunity. Then this area price break above this trend line, we expected a very good bullish move on Reliance Industry. In ICICI Bank, price trading between the resistance and support zone. This is the resistance and this is the support. Now price is facing support here. Some expected to up to this zone around 678 to 700 zone. So price facing resistance and support. Price is in between resistance and support zone, so wait for breakout either the upside or downside. So if price break downside, we expected another ranging in ICICI Bank, or else if we break this above this trend line, so we expect another bullish move the same length as it is to outside the ICICI Bank. In Kotak Mahindra Bank, price traded below this trend line is a very good resistance zone here, price facing some resistance zone, and this is the range from first so too many weeks. So if we any breakout to the outside, if price right now price facing resistance here, might be make another range, or else if price break this range above around 1800, if there any pullback happen, so we go for long opportunity in Kotak Mahindra, or else then price might be keep the range also. If price break below this 1700, this range around 18,800 to 1700 zone, so if 1700 break, then we expect a bearish move on Kotak Mahindra Bank. So now currently price facing resistance here. If this resistance break with a momentum candle, is very good opportunity. If you find any pullback to this zone, very good opportunity for long in Kotak Bank. In State Bank of India, price facing weekly resistance zone, resistance here. So if this resistance break above when we decided to go long, now price at the optimal zone for short opportunity, I expected some range between this area around 320 to 450 level. So expected a range here because price facing a resistance here. So this is the support and this is the resistance. This is the weekly chart of SBI. In daily chart, price might keep ranging between 300 to 450 level. In our 4 time frame, SBI Bank, now I expected some correction up to this trend line. This is the supportive trend line. Now we find any pullback to this zone, we find any reversal here, so we expect another push to the outside. So anyhow, price facing resistance, be careful going long in SBI. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable week.